English says Welsh, Iraqi, Canadian. Igbos just simply says onye plus the name of the country where you're from. Simple. So Nigerian, onye, Nigeria. Iraqi, onye, Iraq. Canadian, onye, Canada. American, onye, America. And so on. Very simply, onye plus the name of the country. How would you now say, I am Nigerian? Abum. Then you say, onye plus name of country. Abum, onye, Nigeria. Onye ebe kibo. Amam is I know. But if you don't know, you say, amam. I don't know it is amamiya. Amamiya can also be I don't know him, I don't know her. And amamiya can also be I don't know for him, I don't know for her. Like, what's up with him? What's up with her? What's his deal or her deal? You know, sarcastic or dramatic. So amamiya. Amamiya is I know it. Then, if you also want to get dramatic with amamamam, you can say amamgi. Amamgi is do I know for you? Amamgi, do I know for you? Amamgi literally is do I know you? But amamgi, dramatic, can be do I know for you? So someone like, do you think I was actually going to do that? Amamgi, do I know for you? And you can use it in many other instances like that. Like and follow me for more. I am, you are, he is, we are, he is, am, are. We are talking about this in Igbo language, to be. Again, it's very simple in Igbo. Mbo, Igbo, Obu, Anyibo, Unubo, Habo. If you really want to learn Igbo language, hit the follow button. Okay guys, so listen to this question and see if you'd understand what it means. Nka konka. Nka ka onka. Some of you may say it as nka ka obu nka. Now what does it mean? It simply means this or this, this or this. Now I know that you might have learned marble as the word for or. Or is marble when you are making a statement, but it becomes ka obo when you are asking a question. And this phrase is very useful. Think of picking out a dinner dress or a pair of shoes and you want to ask your friend this or this, which one goes? And how do you answer it? Nka. Nka, this one. Now the two mistakes I see people make pronouncing this letter in Igbo is one. When it's double, they skip the first one and pronounce the second one, like the word ne. They will call it as ne, na. They will say it's na. Then when it appears with other consonants, they try to, like, which one do I skip? Like nwa, for example, they say it's nwa. No, you don't skip the pronunciation of the N. The N is always pronounced, maybe not enunciated, but you have to pronounce it. It's like this sound of as in it's delicious, delicious. So ne, nwa. The N is a semi-vowel, so it can be pronounced independent of any vowel. Now the last mistake people make with this is to put an I in front of it. So you have enwa, ene. No, there's no I. You go from the sound to what you want to say. And that is how you say this word in Igbo. A white person is called onyocha. A black person is called onyoji. Onyocha, white person. Onyoji, black person. How do you introduce yourself as a black man? Abum onyoji. Abum onyoji. And how do you introduce yourself as a white woman? Abum onyocha. Abum onyocha. Onyocha and onyoji are not gender sensitive. They are gender neutral words. they refer to both male and female. And being white or black is a thing of the color of your skin. Now, you can also hear a white person being called either Nwokocha or Nwanyocha. Nwokocha for men, Nwanyocha for women are pet names that we call white people. The good, the bad, and the delicious. How do you express this in Igbo? The good. Odimma. Odimma. It's good. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. The bad. Odimma. 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 And that can be it's bad or it's gone bad. It's not good and it's unfair. It's unfair. The delicious. Odioto. 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 It's delicious. And you can add ezigbo to good and delicious to make it even more good or more delicious. So that could be Odi ezigbo mma is very okay, is very good, is very fine. Odi ezigbo ụtọ, it's very delicious, it's very nice. Chinche is something you call someone who is annoying, someone who literally sucks the life out of you. And don't even get me started on nkito here or nkitara, someone who is raving mad, always fighting, you know. So nkito here, nkitara. And my favorite of all of them is Ikwikwi. Ikwikwi for you guys is the wisest person, right? But for us, Ikwikwi is the ugliest of them all. You should explore Igbo names for animals. If you're having problem with tone in Igbo, I'll show you this humming method. Repeat after me. Eke. 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 Okay. 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 Azụ. 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 Akwa. 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 Isi. 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 Like and follow me for more videos like this. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise. Numbers. You need them when you're talking about money. You need them when you're talking about times and dates. You need them when you're talking about quantity. I have a son. I have 2 daughters. You need them when you're talking about age. And they're just indispensable to being conversational. So let's learn numbers 1 to 5. Not so intimidating, right? Shall we? Otu. Otu. Abụọ. Abụọ. Atọ. Atọ. Anọ. Anọ. Ise. Ise. How was it? Like and follow me for tone pairs quiz. So you tell me if I'm saying this or this. Okay? Eke. Okay. Azụ. Isi. Aqua. That's right. Well done. So I'll see you in the next video. Like and follow me for more. Ahụ. Ndị a. Ndị ahụ. So this book. Akwụkwọ a. That book. Akwụkwọ ahụ. These books. Akwụkwọ ndị a. Those books. Akwụkwọ ndị ahụ. Like and follow for more lessons. Ana m abịa. That is how you say, I'm coming. If someone called your name or someone knocked on your door, I'm coming. Ana m abịa. That is how you answer, respond to that. Then ana m abịa is also useful for saying like BRB. Maybe you're chatting with someone, you need to momentarily check something, or you're physically with a person, you need to check what you put on the fire, or you need to check your facts, like check your phone, get some more information, or you're answering the call, I'm coming, let me check that out. Or you are, whatever, you just need a moment, like, right? You just say, ana m abịa, and that's be right back. Or I'll get back to you shortly, very briefly, ana m abịa. And ana m abịa is also used for when you want to tell someone, I'm going out. So you're living in a house, you want to go out, you want to tell your family, I'm going out. You say, ana m abịa, and that is, I'm going out. Ana m abịa, I'm going out. And it's weird. You're going and you say you're coming, but it means I'm eventually coming back. How do you say what they're doing in Igbo language? This one. Ọ na-eri nri. Ọ na-eri nri. What about this one? Ọ na-ata anụ. Ọ na-ata anụ. And this one. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. What about this guy? Ọ na-ara oroma. Ọ na-ara oroma. If you were the one doing it, you would say, M na-eri nri. M na-ata anụ. M na-aṅụ mmiri. M na-ara oroma. Now you can check out the description to see more details on the use of eri, aṅụ, ata, and ara. Like and follow for more videos like this. How do you introduce someone in Igbo? Like your husband, your teacher, your friend, child, parent. Onya bo. Onya bo. Onya bo means this person is. And once you've said that, you can go ahead and add the name for what they are to you. So, Onya bo dim. This person is my husband. Onya bo wanyim. This person is my wife. Onya bo enyim. This person is my friend. Onya bo nwannem. This person is my sibling. So, Onya bo plus the name of what they are to you. Now, I'm going to do a video with names of relationships that you can have in Igbo, like friend, brother, teacher, uncle, and all of that. Like and follow me for more videos like this. How do you ask for people's name in Igbo language? Kahage. Rude. Rude. Ahagogene. Whoa, somebody's in the mood. Touchy, impatient. No. Ginebo ahage. Ginebo ahage. Good. But then you want to add eweliwe to it to make it even more polite. Eweliwe ginebo ahage. And that would be like, please, what is your name? And Biko is also please, but Biko can be like English version of please, where you can say, please, what's your name? And that can be rude. So you can go very wrong with please. So Eweliwe is much safer. Eweliwe, ginebo ahage. Eweliwe ginebo ahage. That is like, please, what's your name? When it comes to places in the house, we have imolo, we have eba na sahu, we have useku, we have ulomposi, and we have obi. The obi is similar to the parlor, right? It does everything the parlor does for us, and it is built like a gazebo, the way you build a gazebo away from the main house. And that is basically how both the kitchen, the toilet, and the bathroom is built. The bathroom is not even a building. The bathroom is a place. It's like a place where you put a barricade in the compound and you can go there to have your bath. There's just like a kind of covering so you can have your bath. It is outside. Then there is a toilet. I've mentioned that already. So with the English concept of all these things coming together to form one building, people are wondering, so what do we now call the bedroom? Because the bedroom used to be called just imolo, inside the house, because that is what was considered to be the house. So what do we call bedroom today? Do we call it olo aqua and all those things you read in Igbo textbooks? Mba. No. What we call the bedroom is still ime olo. And what do we call the parlor? Ulo obia. No. Ulo obia is guest house or guest room, your visitor's room, where they lodge when they come to your house. And do we call it Ule Izumike? Ule Izumike is a place you go for resting, a house for resting. You see, you may, but what you just call it on the street, what we call it in the villages, what we call it everywhere, is parlor. Because like I explained to you, there's a place that served the function of a parlor. That is the obi, built like a gazebo. And today, it has not been integrated into the house. It's still built like a gazebo, separate from the house. And it's still in existence, so we can't call the parlor obi, obviously. And because the obi has some spiritual functions in the house, traditional spiritual functions in the house, so we don't call the parlor obi. So you just would hear people call the parlor batana parlor, come inside the parlor, on a parlor, it's in the parlor, or he's in the parlor, or she's in the parlor. And so we call parlor, and we call bedroom imolo, and we call bathroom ebana sanho, not olewanho or ole sanho. It's not a house, it's a place. And even though now it's built together, we still call it a place. My name is Prince Obiefele from Igbo Medicine, and you can follow me to learn more street conversational modern day Igbo. Daalụ.
M na-esi nri. M na-esi nri. M na-aza ime ụlọ. M na-aza ime ụlọ. M na-edozi akwa m. M na-edozi akwa m. M na-apịachasị ngwa ụlọ. M na-apịachasị ngwa ụlọ. Like and follow for more videos.
Ndewo, ndewo no. Kedu no. Ibola, una bola. Imela, una emela. No, no. Daalụ, daalụ no. Jisie ike, jisienu ike. Babies are the absolute best when it comes to learning a new language, and we can learn two things from them. 1, they never apologize when they make a mistake. 2, when you laugh at them, they laugh with you and they don't feel embarrassed when they are laughed at. You need these two skills if you're going to successfully learn the Igbo language or any other language. So we're going to learn this phrase in Igbo language, the most popular phrase in Nigeria, or second most popular phrase in Nigeria at this time. Emilokun. The Yorubas say Emilokun. How do you say it in Igbo? Or ogim. Or ogim. So next time when you hear someone says Emilokun to you, you tell them ogim, and that is no. It's my turn. My ogim. My turn. If you really want to learn the Igbo language, smash this button and follow me.
N'elu. N'azụ. Na. N'akụkụ. N'ime. Tupu. Maka. n'okpuru, n'ihu, n'etiti.